Roy's dad has a little boat called Sailor Boy. Sometimes in the summer, Roy is allowed to join in and help his dad on the boat. One morning, Roy, his dad, and Uncle Martin are taking the boat out. They pack all the things aboard and set off. They are really enjoying themselves when, bang, there is a loud noise as they hit something in the water. It is an oil drum. "Oh dear," says Dad, "it's made a hole." Just then they see a ship steaming along. "Quick," says Dad, pointing at the ship. "We'll shout for help. Hoy! Hoy! Ship ahoy!" The sailors from the ship hear their voices and yell back, "Oi! Ship ahoy! Are you in trouble?" "Yes, we're sinking! Help!" they cry. The sailors help Roy and his dad get the boat back to port.